Today I'm going to show you how I did some of the gore effects on my most recent minis. First up, you're going to need some materials. You'll want to get some Uhu all-purpose adhesive, and then some clear paints like Minotaur's Ghost Tint range. You can also use Tamaya's clear paints as well. What you're going to want to do is put a small little dab of Uhu on a piece of plastic. Then take your paint and just, a few drops will do. Mix that into the all-purpose adhesive. This does dry pretty fast, so you don't have too much of a long working time. Just mix it enough where it gets a little stringy like this. You can also do a similar effect for slime. So instead of using the red paint, you'll use like a green paint. But the same methods apply. You'll want to mix it in with the adhesive until it gets pretty stringy. A little bit, it'll go a long way. Once it's mixed, just grab the miniature that you want to work on, use a toothpick and kind of drag it around some edges. Try to get some places where it'll hook on and attach nicely. Just leave it set overnight to get a nice cure to it. Same thing could be done with slime. Works best on mouths, claws, wherever you think slime would get attached to. A similar effect can also be used on the mouths of tyranids or other monstrous creatures. You may even be able to do it without any sort of paint mixed in to get a nice saliva effect. Here's some examples of some of the recent miniatures where I used a similar effect. If you thought this was useful, throw me a like. If you want to see more, throw me a sub. Hope you enjoyed.